Think gardening season's over just because it's cold? Think again. Today we're talking about cold, hardy vegetables that laugh in the face of frost. These tough plants don't just survive the chill, they thrive in it. Let's get growing. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips that'll keep your thumbs green all year round. You can grow it. Chapter 1. Garlic. The undercover agent. Garlic is the James Bond of vegetables. You plant it in the fall, and while you're cozy indoors sipping cocoa, it's secretly working underground, building roots. By the time spring rolls around, bam! You've got a garden full of flavor-packed bulbs. Bonus points. Garlic is frost-resistant, pest-resistant, and even vampire-resistant. Seriously, what can't garlic do? Just remember, plant it in fall for a summer harvest that'll blow your taste buds away. Chapter 2. Spinach. The frost-fighting superfood. Spinach doesn't just survive winter, it thrives in it. This leafy green loves the cold so much, it can handle temperatures as low as 6 degrees, 21 degrees, and still look fresh as ever. Light snow? No problem. And the best part? Spinach grows fast. You can get multiple harvests even in the colder months, so you'll always have a fresh supply of vitamins to power through the winter blues. Talk about a superfood. Chapter 3. Onions. The frost-defying foodie. Favorite onions are like that friend who quietly sticks around no matter what. Frost, snow, freezing temperatures, onions don't care. Plant them in the fall, and they'll slowly grow through winter like the MVPs they are. Not only do they add flavor to literally everything, but they store forever, making them a cold-weather gardening essential. Plus, if chopping onions makes you cry, just remember, it's tears of joy for your future harvest. Chapter 4. Broccoli, the sweet-tasting winter wonder. Broccoli is a cold-weather champion. It loves temperatures between 4 degrees and 21 degrees, 40 degrees to 70 degrees. But here's the kicker. A little frost actually makes it taste sweeter. Who knew vegetables could be so dramatic? Plant it in the fall, and you'll have a winter crop that keeps on giving. After harvesting the main head, it keeps producing side shoots, so it's like the gift that keeps on giving. Broccoli, your winter garden MVP. Chapter 5. Kale, the frost-fighting warrior. Kale isn't just a vegetable, it's a survivor. This leafy green thrives in freezing temperatures and actually tastes better after a frost. Sweet, crunchy, and packed with nutrients, kale is basically the superhero of cold-weather gardening. Plant it in the fall, and it'll keep you supplied with fresh greens all winter. Kale is so tough, it's like the Rocky Balboa of vegetables. It's not about how hard it gets hit by frost, it's about how hard it can get hit and keep on growing. Chapter 6. Radishes, the quick and frosty fix. Radishes are the speedsters of the vegetable world. They grow so fast you can go from seed to harvest in just 25 days, even in cool weather. Plus, these little guys love frost. Their crisp texture and peppery flavor are perfect for winter salads, and with such a quick turnaround, you'll feel like a gardening pro in no time. Chapter 7. Brussels sprouts, the frost-sweetened treat. Brussels sprouts are the royalty of winter vegetables. These little green gems actually get sweeter after a frost, making them perfect for roasting, sautéing, or just impressing your friends at dinner parties. Plant them in the fall and they'll keep producing through the winter. Frost is their secret ingredient, and they're so resilient, they'll make you feel like a cold-weather gardening wizard. Chapter 8. Beets and carrots, sweet roots for cool weather. Beets and carrots are like nature's candy. Frost makes them sweeter. They're super hardy, thrive in cool soil, and can even be harvested straight from under a snow blanket. Plant these root veggies in the fall and you'll have a steady supply of vibrant, nutritious produce all winter long. Plus, both store incredibly well, so you can keep enjoying them long after you've harvested. See? Winter gardening isn't just possible, it's awesome. These cold, hardy veggies don't just survive, they thrive, keeping your garden productive and your meals fresh all year round. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your gloves, get planting, And don't forget to hit subscribe for more gardening tips and laughs. Let's grow together even when it's freezing outside.